If you have cotton buds like this, or they are also called earplugs, friends, don't throw them away. It turns out that they can still be used and are very, very useful, friends. And don't let your neighbors know about this idea, friends, just let's go. Here we prepare cotton buds. Could be new or something like this. Lots of cotton buds at home, cheap prices. Then we prepare a bowl like we used to pick up sand around the outside of the house. Make sure the sand does not contain animal waste, leaves, or other impurities. After that we prepare a filter like this or another to filter the sand. Our sand enters and then we shake like this, so that the coarse sand is separated from the fine one. If it's like or fine sand like this, then we accommodate it in another clean place. Then we prepare a small glass like this, then we put fine sand. We just pour the sand into the glass up to half, like this. Okay, like this. Next step. Then we enter clean water, like this. Then we slowly pour the water into the glass that has been mixed with the sand earlier. Yes. Slowly until like this. Wait a moment, let the water seep into the sand, like this. The next step, we take the cotton buds that had been prepared earlier. Then we take scissors. Then we cut the end of one of them, like this. If it is already then we plug the end that we cut earlier. If it is already then we plug the end that we cut earlier, like this. Next step is put melted cooking oil into the glass earlier. Cooking oil can be new or used cooking oil. Could be more economical, of course. Then pour the cooking oil into the glass, slowly. Not too full. Just high like this. Okay, creative friends, the final form is like this. From used goods, used cotton buds and used cooking oil, we can make beautiful and unique lighting candles. Very cost-effective and practical.
Woo!
Then prepare a gas lighter. Let's turn it on. Cotton buds can light a fire. Cool. Really great, guys. With only cotton buds, used cooking oil, sand and glass, we can make beautiful decorative candles. Okay, guys. Don't press the like and subscribe buttons and the notification bells for other interesting videos. Hope it is useful. Thank you.